Another delay possible in the Mark Torre murder trial. Defense attorney Jay Arreola indicated that he may be seeking a continuance of trial based on a recent Supreme Court ruling. This coming Wednesday marks the one-year anniversary of Sergeant Albert Piolo's death. It's been nearly a year since police officer Sergeant Albert Piolo was gunned down outside the house of former police officer Mark Torre Jr., who's accused of pulling the trigger that killed Piolo. A trial date of October 17 has been scheduled, but today in court, defense attorney Jay Arreola indicated that he may be seeking a continuance of trial.
Based on the recent Supreme Court decision on People versus Blas, we will be seeking a continuance of the trial date as scheduled by the court.
That Supreme Court decision Arreola is referring to as People versus Frankie Garrido Blas. In that case, the Supreme Court overturned the lower court's denial of Blas's motion to continue trial. Blas was seeking a continuance of his assault trial by about a month to allow an off-island witness to testify. Assistant Attorney General Joseph McDonald.
Yeah, there's some factors that the court had put out on whether or not a continuance is in order, and so I guess counsel believes that he's going to argue some of those factors for the continuance.
Exactly what Arreola plans to argue on behalf of his client is unknown. What is known is that Superior Court Judge Michael Bordallo has set trial to begin on October 17, which means if the judge grants Arreola's motion to continue, trial may once again be delayed to after October 17. Meanwhile, the prosecution says they are still in the process of finding a forensic expert who can analyze the psychological findings for Torre, in particular, post-traumatic stress disorder.
We are also looking for an expert with regards to the PTSD and the so we've looked on island. There are no experts on island. We continue to look off island, so that's also
well, you got to find somebody quick, because if they're going to do, if they're going to need something other than the records that have produced, that's fine. But if they're going to need additional work done, then they need to either come on island and get it done.
As far as evidence is concerned, Judge Bordallo ordered the AG's office to send over all outstanding evidence collected to the FBI for forensic analysis. The parties are then expected to narrow down which pieces of evidence will be tested at the next hearing scheduled for August 15th. Judge Bordallo also ordered the defense to file its motion for continuance by the next hearing on August 15th at 9 a.m.